Metal handcuffs are binding police devices, which are used by police officers in accordance with the law to prevent criminal suspects from escaping, committing crimes, injuring themselves or committing other dangerous acts when performing their duties. Based on the industry standard of single police metal handcuffs for public security of GA, the metal handcuffs are developed according to the actual use requirements, which solve the problems of overweight, simple structure, easy to slip and poor dial-proof performance. Metal handcuffs are mainly composed of left and right handcuffs, ratchet, chain block, rings, keys and etc. Cheek plates in golden. Ratchet is matte silver. The left and right handcuffs and battles are made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which not only guarantees the handcuff's strength but also greatly reduces the overall weight of the handcuffs. The metal handcuffs adopt the internationally leading 3-tooth independent locking technology, with superior anti-pull-out performance. Performance test of metal handcuffs. Metal handcuffs are small in size, light in weight, flexible and convenient. In the state of locking and positioning, the key is inserted into the keyhole with flexible rotation, and does not lose or fail under the static pressure of 1500 Newton. After falling from the height of 2 meters to the concrete floor, it can open normally. Locking and locking positioning, more than 7,000 cycles of work, horizontal and vertical, respectively, can withstand static tension 2200 Newton. Fixed joints can withstand static tension 2940 Newton after normal use. Corrosion resistance class more than level 7.